Yeah, it's nice to, I suppose, get a win, but more importantly, I guess, have a performance that didn't show too much baggage from the past. You know, we want to go out, perform our skills, our processes as best we can, day in, day out, and that's what we focused on in this game, and we're able to achieve it. Our bowling effort in the second innings, we're certainly still hoping for some movement off the surface, and Pakistan certainly showed a lot of resistance, especially early, and were very patient. But the way that the four seamers in particular got into spells, held the areas for a long period of time, and then when it was passed over to the next bloke to take up the baton, was world class, and it certainly was a huge effort in being patient and then getting the rewards later on in the day yesterday. They were fantastic. Look, to see Colin on that surface that obviously moved around a bit, he was, I suppose, the perfect bowler for it. A nice pace, and sort of bowled with the seam bolt upright so it could go both ways, and it complemented the other bowlers really well. And then Jeet, he sort of came into, I suppose, international cricket and looked like he'd been there for years. He was very calm, very relaxed, stuck to a game plan, and certainly reaped the rewards in this match. And to go out, open the innings against a very good bowling attack on a surface that was offering to the seam bowlers, and achieve what he did, particularly in the first innings, and then in a chase for the victory, to show that composure again was certainly a great thing to see, and certainly encouraging going forward.